Hello and welcome to the WebDevPie channel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a catch a button effect with CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. So let's start with HTML. Firstly, I will create the block with btn wrap class for our button container, and inside of it a button with btn escape class. In CSS I will add to all documents the background color black. And let's set the btn wrap element position relative with 90% height 600 pixels. Also let's add the border. There is solid style 1 pixel and it's blue color. And let's add margin 30 pixels from top and auto to make it centered from both sides. Padding 15 pixels. For btn escape I'm setting display block position absolute with 200 pixels height 50 pixels. Background color blue. Also box shadow with 10 pixels blue radius, blue color, without borders. Font size 16 pixels, text transform uppercase, color black. Border radius 5 pixels for the button. Transitions 0.2 seconds. Ease out. And cursor pointer. Now I'm adding to the button on mouse over event, so it means when we hover on the button the CSS properties will be changed. For top property I'm setting random position for the button using random method, and I'm also doing multiplication with container height and minus 45 pixels so our button not goes outside the container. And for left property I will do the same, but with width. I will take the width from the container and do the minus 200 pixels. And let's test how works our mouse over event. So it works pretty well. On the next step let's create a click event which help us to catch a button. And if button is clicked, then we will change HTML text, and let's add new class catched to the button. And let's set background color crimson and box shadow also with crimson color and with 10 pixels blue radius. And let's set the same color to the border of container. Also I'm adding if statement to this function, so if button already has class catched, then we don't need to make any manipulations on the button, and we just need to stop the execution and return true. And let's test the result. And of course it could take for some time to catch this button, but finally I was able to catch it. And last but not least, this button changes its position smoothly because we have added transition effect and it works well. Hope you enjoyed and see you in next tutorials.